Hello, this is a demonstration of another command line input interface application that I have developed as part of Coding Bootcamp, but I'm excited to use. So the key to this one is that it is a test-driven application. So I'm going to run the predetermined tests that were created before I even started developing my program to show that it passes all of those tests. And of course, I will put this in the README, but also a reminder that before you use this application, you need to install your node modules as well as npm inquirer for this to work. And yay, looking good. All of our tests have passed. The application runs, so now we can use it. So if the main application is run node app.js. And then it's going to start initially asking me about my manager's name. Every team can only have one manager. So in my case, that is Captain Jean-Luc Picard. IDs that would probably be generated already for things like badges and security clearances. And then for the manager only, we have a phone number. I'm going to assume that he has an extension, but you can enter any phone number value in there and then use the arrow keys to select what type of employee you're going to add next. So next we're going to add an engineer. Our engineer's name is Cordy LaForge. I'll enter his ID and his email address. And then instead of a phone number, he's going to link to his GitHub account. Let's add one more engineer on this team. We'll put in data. And same thing, he's going to link to his GitHub account. And then we've got an intern we can add, which of course is Wesley Crusher. He's just a young cadet, academy.edu. So he is coming here from the Starfleet Academy. He does not have a GitHub account to share yet, or a phone number that a manager would have. All right, that looks good. So I'm going to use my arrow keys to select that I have no more employees to add. And it shows me that the team profile page has been successfully generated. You can often go ahead and click on this guy to open it, but you can also go to the path that's been specified here, output team HTML. And then I'm going to open that in my default browser. I've got my team with icons to help me decide, to help designate who's an engineer, who's a manager, who's an intern. Got links that work towards GitHub accounts as well as email addresses. And if I had wanted to view this on a smaller screen, then those cards will stack rather than be next to each other. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you get to use this application.